Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Myself Jinjijo and you are watching Creative Lab. In today's video, I'll be showing how to compress larger video files into smaller size without losing any quality. And it will be useful when you are facing bad network issues while uploading video files through Google Drive or WhatsApp during online classes. And it will also help in situations like when your device is running with insufficient storage. And the method which is showing in this video is totally free. And before wasting any time, let's get started. So before going to compress a video file, you need to download and open software. For that you have to search for Handbrake and click on the first link showing on the web page, and you will be redirected to its official page. This one is an open source video transcoder which you can download it in other platforms like in MacBook, Windows and in Linux. And it is totally free. Now click on the red download button and it will start downloading automatically. You can skip this part by clicking on the timestamp if you have already installed it in your device. Once the downloading is completed, click on Open File. Now you will see an welcome setup. Here you have to click on Next. Then again click on Next, and here you have to choose the file path. And if you wanted to change them, click on Browse and select your required destination. After that, just click on Install. And once it is done, click on Finish. And you will see a shortcut on your desktop. Now open the application. For compressing more than one file, you can go for the first option, and if you only wanted to compress just a file at a time, you can go for the second option. Now select the video you wanted to compress, and I will go for this video for the purpose. And for this video, the file size is 941 MB, and let's convert it into less than 100 MB. From here, you have to watch the video carefully without skipping and do the following settings. You can preview the video over here. Now for changing the format of this video, you can select from here. It is better to choose MP4 so that you can edit this video in your smartphone further. Now in the dimension, you can see this one is 1080p, and if you want to change it into 720p, you can use the arrows. Now in the cropping settings, select custom option. There is nothing to do with filter. And in the video, select the video code as H264. And in the frame rate, choose the original frame rate of your video. And in my case, I will go for 60 FPS. Here, always choose peak frame rate. And in the quality, which is the main part, always make sure to adjust the value of quality between 26 and 22, because higher the value of quality, larger will be the file size. Over here, select the path and rename the file so that you will not get any confusion. So now let's give the name as converted video and click on save. Now everything is done, and all you have to do is click on start encode. And you can see the video encoding has started, where you can see the progress and the time remaining. And the time may not be accurate as it actually does. You can also see another option called when done, where you can see different options, and it will be useful when if you are converting a long video over midnight, and if you choose the option shut down, the system will automatically shut down after the encoding. And this one is the best feature available in this free software. Once it have compressed the video file successfully, you can see the converted video on the folder which you have already saved. And you can see the converted file is only just 83 MB. And before it was around 1 GB. Now I will play both the video and let's compare the quality. And you can see there is no much difference in both videos except the file size. So that's all about today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, and if you are new here, just consider to subscribe. Turn on the bell icon so that you will get notified with my latest videos. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, peace.